Hi there. I hope you're doing good. I came across your Upwork job post and thought it would be helpful to record a short video to introduce myself and share my background and experience. I hold two master's degree, including MSc in marketing from UK and MSc in psychology. This helped me understanding consumer behavior. I train over 3,000 students and support their launches and various countries like USA, UK, Dubai, and Saudi Arabia. In terms of my experience, I have around 4 years of hands on experience in Pakistan, where I have worked with different brands and business on digital and e commerce marketing. And over the past year in the UK, I have been working with different companies as an e commerce team lead, managing their digital marketing, Amazon, and eBay. My approach is practical and data driven. I mainly focus on building campaign system that deliver real results. I would happy to learn about your project and see how can I help you. Thank you for your time. I'm looking forward to connecting with you. Thank you. Take care. Bye.